So guys, I just picked up a new product, a new car wash product, and I really like it. Works really good. As you can see, the finish is already beads up really well. It's from Shine Armor here. It's their concentrated car soap. Use a little bit of this stuff in water and mix it. And this is it after I just washed it like you normally would. Seems to help the water sheet off really well. And it seems to leave it extra shiny. Like I said, there's so many different soaps on there, but this seems like a really nice concentrated one. Like you don't have to use a lot per gallon of water. And it cleaned it really well. And the finish is really nice. Again, Shine Armor has a lot of products for your car. For every part of your car, they make a product for. Definitely check them out in the description. But I like this one. Like I said, it even tells you that you don't even use a lot. But it seems to do the job really well. So let me go ahead and dry the car and I'll show you the overall finish of this. Okay, check that out, guys. This is just washing it with that soap. I didn't put nothing else on it. It's just with this stuff. It looks really shiny. Really picks up the line, especially on the darker color. I like it. I'm always trying to find new products to make it a little easier to maintain your car. This does a good job. Cut all the bugs off pretty easy. Super slick, shiny. Seems like it does condition the paint because it was easy to dry it too. And like I said, this isn't anything else on it other than I washed the car and brought it in the garage. So if you guys are looking for a nice product that won't break the bank, does a great job cleaning your car, definitely check them out. Again, the link's in the description. I just started using this, so I'm excited to try more of their products, see what they offer. A lot of you guys have tried it, I've seen, and say great things about it, so I wanted to try it out for myself. I do like this one, and I'll be doing other products in the future, product reviews, so definitely stay tuned for that. I mean, look at the wheels even. They even cleaned the wheels up really nice, and I didn't put nothing on them other than the tire gel, but the wheel itself looks good. So again, pick yourself up a bottle of this Shine Armor car soap and give it a shot. I think you guys would really like it. Definitely protect the paint on these cars, okay? I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.